Classic Truck Rescue. This is going to be a quick video, spontaneous field trip video. I heard through the grapevine that a whole bunch of cars close by me in a wrecking yard are going to be getting crushed if they don't get sold. I'm going out there to look for parts for a couple of rigs that I have. My Bel Air needs a piece for the bumper and some quarter panel trim and a piece of fender trim. I'm also going to look at the 55 to 59 Chevy and GMC truck stuff they have. I'm going to take you guys along with me. My buddy Ron Vargo, who has a collection of 200 cars and trucks in Eastern Oregon, just happened to call me today and say he was stopping by, and I've heard about this several times about these cars that are going to be crushed. So I'm going to swing by. I'm going to meet Ron at the gate. He doesn't know it yet, but I'm going to invite him to go on a field trip with me, and we'll run out there real quick and see what there is. And if you see something while I'm filming that you're really interested in, leave a comment and I will get with him and see what the price is on it. And I'll post the prices in my comments. Please keep in mind, I'm not trying to make money off of these vehicles, and the price that I post will be the price that the gentleman who owns all the stuff gives to me. Just trying to save some of them. I'll be back. So my old buddy Ron Varco showed up today. He wanted to come out to the Classic Truck Ranch and look at all my old stuff. I met him at the gate and I said, "Hey Ron, you want to go on a field trip?" He's cleaning up his car so I can get in it. Say hi to everyone, Ron.
Hi, everyone.
This is my buddy Ron. We go way back. He's the one that makes the bridge go up and down. Yeah. We're going down the street, folks. They're going to be smashing some classics, and Ron don't like it. I don't like it. We got to go. We'll be back. All right, so we took a trip right down the street from my house, and Ron and I are going to have a look around. And this is the first thing we saw. Actually, did that Rancher Ed up there, did that come from a guy named Ray?
No, it came from Frank White, Estacada.
Yeah. I met a guy in Eastern Washington who had built a Ranchero, and he put an Edsel front end on it, and he called it Rancher Ed.
Huh.
Rancher Ed. For Ranchero and Edsel.
Okay.
Yeah, Rancher Ed.
I call it the Ran Edsel. Or the Edsolero.
Yeah, right.
You've got some beautiful vehicles out here.
Canadian?
Here's a, what, about a 57 Ranchero with an Edsel nose on it. I actually ran into one of those in one of my earlier videos. Over here, we got a 68, I believe. El Camino SS 396. These cars are for sale too, folks, so I'll see if he wants me to disclose his information when we get done here. Here's a Corvair hiding up there. 68 Camaro convertible in there with an Edsel. Nice Chevy short bed. Anyway, I came here for the 55 to 59 Chevy and GMC truck stuff, because you know I hate to see that stuff get smashed. But the problem is, there's just not much meat on these bones, folks. I just don't think so. That's actually a pretty decent fender right there. Well, except for that. That one's been fudged upon. Alright, we'll keep looking around. Maybe he's got some more of this stuff out here. The reason I'm here is because my 1965 Chevy Bel Air is missing some chrome trim and part of the bumper. Now this has my attention a little bit. I wonder if this thing runs. I'll ask about this. Big window. Chevy. Oh, it's a 58 or 59. No VIN tag. Oh, I think they might have put them down below on the 59s. Nope, no VIN tag. What do we got? We got a good painted grill. This big window cab is actually not all that bad. Chevy big window cab. Bed's not too bad. It's toast, but and that fender's rough, but I don't know. Maybe a guy could repair that. That's not too bad. That fender's caved in. Well, we'll see. I do like that cab though. Well, Ron just advised me that he has to work tonight, so I can't spend a whole ton of time out here. I'm going straight for what I came for, which is parts for my 65 Bel Air, and that looks like Chevy land over there. Old 56 handyman wagon, Ford section. There is something that I know about back here that I don't think a lot of people know about, and it's on that trailer right there. We'll make our way over there and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, Ron, looking for 65 or 6. There we go, back there. These are 68 and 9s. Wow, I always did kind of like this body style. Look at that grill for that old...
Studebaker.
It is a Studebaker, isn't it?
Yes.
Yep, you're right. Oh. Okay, so I need the driver's side front chrome piece like that right there. Spotted my driver's side front fender chrome. Now we got to find a 2-door with the rear chrome, or a 65 or 6 with the rear bumper. I wonder if the ones on the wagon are different, Ron. Because that's the piece I need right there.
Is this a 65 though?
I think 65 and 6 are the same.
Isn't this later?
Oh, is it?
Well, I don't know. I thought it was more like later.
Well, I see another candidate over here.
Oh, geez, I don't remember now.
I can tell.
327.
Yeah, that's might be too new. That's a 67 or 8 right there. But this one over here that has my one piece of chrome, oh, it's damaged.
Not perfect. You can straighten it.
It's better than the one I have. Oh, it's over here. Okay, well this bumper's messed up, but the piece that I need is not. I wonder if they're different. This is a 66.
Correct.
Mine's a 65. So I'll just take a real good shot of that, and I'll look when I get home. That's a 65.
They're different. Look at the bumpers. How it comes out.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Whoa. That's going to be my unicorn, isn't it? All right. Come on, I don't want to keep you long.
See it.
We'll work our way over here. I want to show you this truck.
What is this one? This is a lady, isn't it?
That's a 67 or 8.
Yeah.
These are all newer.
Yeah. Yeah, 70. I have a Studebaker like that one.
You do?
Truck. Yeah.
Ron's got a lot of cars. How many cars you got, Ron?
200.
200. I thought I was sick.
You are.
You just made me feel better.
We're all sick.
This I don't want to see get scrapped. There's a little something special over here. Sitting on this trailer. That is the front end of a truck like Bullfrog with the radiator core support. These are the butterfly hood pieces. Here's another set of butterfly hood pieces. There's a set of fenders. Those are like on my big dump truck. And those are getting really hard to find. You know, these fenders you could use on other stuff because it's basically the basic shape for a great big fender, you know. And there's another set over there. Yep. There's about 3 sets of those fenders and about 2 or 3 of these hoods, butterfly hoods. And this is the whole front header panel right here. Okay.
Yeah, might be even better shape than this one.
There's a header panel in the bushes Ron just spotted over there, and it's got the GMC logo. That's another one of the fenders, and it's got the hard to find parking lights, fender mounted parking lights on it right there. See that light?
Yeah.
Those are because they're on the front of the fender, they always got banged up and they're really hard to find. I've had guys try to buy them off my truck. No, I don't think so. 5-window cab right there. I've been kind of checking these piles of bumpers too, Ron, as we go. I'm seeing a flatbed, big 2nd series truck over here. That's actually not too, well, it's not that great. It's a 3-piece bumper. No, that's not one. I hate to, you know, this stuff sits around forever and ever, and then all of a sudden you get a notice. We're gonna smash everything unless you come get it. And that's when you gotta jump. Unfortunately, homie's not exactly loaded up in the bank account department right now. Oh, that's a V8 hood emblem on there. Look at that. 57 Chevy V8 truck. Doesn't look too shabby. Oh man, I just got so many of these. Look at that old Ford. That's not too shabby. People love these things.
Oh yes.
Alright, let me see. Wouldn't it be nice if I could find my bumper piece? I'll know it when I see it, Ron.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
think yours has to come out though, doesn't it?
I don't know. That's why I'm filming these, because I'll go look at mine when we get home. Oh yeah, I see what you're saying.
This one.
I think you're right. By Jove. I think that's it.
There's a smashed one also. Here's a good piece though.
Yeah, I need that piece over there.
There it is. Probably
So we got two of them. Wait. These are different.
No, this one and this one.
Oh yeah, there you go. Okay. Ron for the score. So I need that side over there, and this side, or this side over here. That'll work.
Yeah.
I'll just get the whole thing.
Yeah, it's a little scarred.
But this one looks pretty nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a little whoopee. But you know what? That car is a patina car. So
Survivor. Okay.
yeah. Okay, we've got two of them. Great. That's better than zero. Look at that. What's that, a Buick or Oldsmobile? Right there? That,
Buick.
I always thought that's the kind of stuff you make a rat rod out of. You know, it's just all that bling and gaudiness. No.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Man, it sure looks.
That might be the difference between the wagon and the... We know where there's two of them, Ron. I'm pretty sure those are the right ones.
No, but
I think you're right. Or Chevelle. There's an old Dodge back there.
Oh yeah.
A lot of guys like those Dodges. Alright, I don't want to keep you too late. So I got one piece of chrome trim. I'm probably going to play heck finding those quarter panel trim pieces. A lot of Ford trucks out here. Oh look, 67 El Camino. Bunch of El Caminos. 67, 65.
Yeah.
These are either 66 or 67 right here. Boy, I'm surprised those fenders are sitting there.
Me too.
You'd think somebody would have snatched those a while ago. Chrome trim that's hard to find.
Yeah.
That's a 66. That's a 66. That's a 67. Oh, and then you got some 68 and 9 type stuff. With a little 70-ish thrown in there.
Yeah.
Alright, Ron.
A lot of stuff.
Ron's got to go keep everybody safe. Make sure them boats don't run into the bridge. Well, I hope you enjoyed our little field trip out here. Did you, Ron?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, you want to come back though, don't you? He's like, I know where it is now. I don't need you. I already met Marv. Oh, look at there. 65 or 6 up there. I think that's 60. I think that's 66.
I think so.
There's so much out here that we'll never get to.
Yeah.
This kind of place you need to spend a whole day, at least.
Perfect day for it. Huh?
I walked by, oh, there's 57 Chevy hiding over there. Sticking its little tongue out at us. And another El Camino. We walked by a bed. I wanted to look at it. It was off a 50s truck, but I'll check it out later. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed our little field trip. Maybe I'll come back. Leave a comment. Should I come back and spend more time out here? Peace out. Sawtooth's getting old, isn't he, honey?
Is that so?
I think so. He looks old.
Watch the kids. I'm going upstream.